Hello everybody, Michael and Timber here from Attention to Detail in Tempe. Friend's bringing over his car. I guess they had some paint transfer or something rubbed up against the car there. So I'm going to show you how to quickly take that off. So I'm using my Superior Image Heavy Cut and Finish Clear Coat Performance. Removes deep scratches and sanding marks. High cut to a gloss finish. So basically this is an all-in-one. You can use a wool pad like I have here, and then you can swap it with a polishing pad, and then it will break down the compound into basically a polish after it does the cut. But I've found that you could basically just do it with one step, because to the naked eye it polishes it out. Just turn up the speed a little bit. So I have a regular 3-inch wool pad, I have the Rupes medium cut, and then I have the Rupes coarse cut. These foam backed ones are really good for taking out quick little details. This would be the most aggressive, then this one is a little bit lighter. So as soon as it gets here, we'll get started. Show you how to do it. As far as the detailer goes, you know, I don't know what other detailers charge. I feel guilty because it literally takes me a couple minutes. And, you know, I say hand out my business cards and we'll call it a day. When I do a detail, I will take out minor scratches and stuff like that, just part of my detail, because I think that little extra service goes a long way with customers. And I enjoy doing it, and it's easy. So have any questions, don't forget to shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com, and as soon as it gets here, we'll start this video and show you how easy it is. Alright everybody, I'm back. So as you can see, it's not very bad, but it's almost like it's a smudge from a plastic shopping cart or something like that. So let's see what we can do here.
Look at that.
Gone in 10 seconds. So any kind of transfers, rubber, paint, super easy, takes seconds. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. Take care everybody, have a great day.